We're out here in Seal Beach. It's Tuesday. The kids are braving the cold Pacific Ocean. It's actually not too bad. They love the waves. It's a beautiful day. There's the pier and Mike. We're just out here. Seems like nobody else is at the beach today. Everybody's at work. I think we got maybe a few surfers over here. It's a great day.